Here with Service Pros, guys. Guess what we're doing today? Yep, I'm working hard for you guys in South Florida. Service Pros, look what we're doing. We're doing an acid washing of the AC coil because it's very dirty. And what happens is if you don't clean this properly, it's going to damage the compressor. It's going to cause it to overheat. Your electric bill is going to go up. If you're wondering why you're paying $500-600, this can be the problem right here. Give us a call. We have a package on right now, and we can acid wash it for you. Service Pros.